Your opportunity for the ideal lakefront home is right here in Dandridge, Tennessee at 2023 Oak Grove Road. With 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and a half bath, you'll enjoy over 3,200 square feet of spacious living area. And your over 1 acre parcel is right on the main channel of TVA-controlled Douglas Lake. Step inside, take in the warmth and spaciousness of this exquisite home. A great room centered by a stone fireplace provides a great lake view. A second living room offers up this stylish bar, an open floor plan to your dining area, and the fully equipped kitchen. Plenty of meal prep area at the countertop accommodates your electric cooktop. State-of-the-art appliances and a ton of cabinet storage round out the perfect kitchen. The bedrooms provide comfort and privacy for a growing family. Here's your master bedroom awaiting your customization, and the master bath provides a wide vanity, a walk-in shower, and jet tub. Entertaining will be a breeze outside. This partial wraparound deck provides plenty of space and contributes to the excellent lake view. You have an existing building, also on the lake, set up as 2 small efficiency apartments. Add these large standalone storage units and you have the best lakefront property in this area. With all the features you've seen and with a lot more to offer, 2023 Oak Grove Road in Dandridge awaits your private tour. Call Kelly or Kristy White with the real estate firm direct at 865-804-9791.